Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Myla, and today I am super excited because I'm going to be giving you an apartment rental. Yeah! I am so excited. I worked on my room now for the first week, settling in and everything, so I think I finally have everything like where I want it. It's super cute. The vibe all came together if you watched my recent video of getting decorations. They're all in here, so I'm very excited to show you guys. I'm just gonna show you my room for now, just cause out of respect for my other roommates, but maybe later on, if that's something they're comfortable with, I'll give you a whole apartment tour. I am now living at the Grove, which is about like a minute away from campus. The Grove has been amazing. If you can, I highly suggest moving here. It's been great. So without further ado, let's get into the tour. So we're gonna start the tour by giving you a little overview of my room. Here she is. You can see the disco balls on the wall. I think it's so cute. So first we have this little entryway, and then you go into my room, and here is the closet. It's a double door closet, which is really nice. It holds a lot of stuff. It holds all my clothes and even storage. Now we're gonna move over to my desk area. I just have different things on my desk, pictures, and then I have my makeup. I love this part of my room. I DIY'd this cowboy hat and I think it looks so cute. Now we're gonna move over to my mirror area. This is also my favorite part of my room. Disco ball, so cute. Then we have this hanging plant, which really pulls it all together, and a gold arched mirror. And then we have a good vibe sign. Then this is the windowsill, just have some little things on it. And then we're moving over to my bed area. I got this purple and pink rug from Walmart for $20 and I think it looks so cute. Then here's my bed. I have some pillows. And then some leaves and greenery. And then on this board that was in my room, I just put pictures on. And then here is my nightstand. Then I brought my own TV, but they give you this dresser. So walking into my bathroom, here's what it looks like. Here's my mirror, so cute. Here's the sink. Lots of space on the sink. Then we have the toilet and towels and this collage that I did. There's an overview. And then here is the shower. It's a pretty big shower actually. And then there's storage underneath the cabinets. And that was my room. I love it so much. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like at night because it is such a vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love my room as much as I do. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.